Bonjour mes amis et bienvenue. Je m'appelle Ian McCullum and I'm out here at the range today courtesy of Morphe's with an M2 Vigneron. These are extremely scarce in the United States. In fact, I don't think I've ever seen another actual transferable one. So we're going to take the opportunity to put some rounds through it. Now, the question that I have is this gun better than a Sten gun? Because this is intended to replace the Sten gun in service. It's also intended to be very economical, cheap. Did they manage to pull off a gun that is very cheap, but actually still better than a Sten? Initial impressions are probably the sights are better. The grip actually has a pistol grip instead of whatever that thing is on the Sten gun. But we shall see. Bolts already back. We can close our dust cover. There is a grip safety back here to depress. And let's start it on semi. Ow. That hit my hand. It's not designed for left-handers, shockingly. Well, that's not good. Ow. I am not depressing the grip safety far enough. So that pistol grip's actually kind of a weird design. You have to dig your hand really pretty darn deep into it to actually fully depress the grip safety. And then the angle is a little bit odd with the wrist. There we go. Yeah, I can feel it. When I pull the charging handle back, it's bumping against the grip safety and engaging it, reminding me that, you're not holding the grip safety down all the way. All right, swap it to A. All right, nice slow rate of fire, should be very controllable. It's a little bit bouncy. This is a long gun. The wireframe stock drops a bit. Once you get a couple rounds in, you can kind of keep it in control, but it is this matter of when you fire, the gun bounces up, you can pull it down, and you can kind of pull it back down in time to get the next round basically at the same place on target. But it's not one of those submachine guns that just sits flat and doesn't move. Oop. That's not a malfunction. Now I'm just out of ammunition. Magazines look very much like MP40 magazines, but are not interchangeable either way. Do the dust cover again. I thought I held my hand low enough to not get hit by the dust cover, but it did it again. All right. The recoil is really pretty insubstantial. It's not that the gun's pushing back into you, really. That's very soft. It's that the muzzle's jumping around because you've got this very long lever. The grip's well below the line of the bolt. The stock drops even a bit lower than that. And if the camera's bouncing, it's because I think I'm intermittently hitting the camera tripod with spent brass. And I'm out of ammunition yet again. All right, it's only 2 magazines in, but I think I can really quite confidently say that this is in fact better than a Sten gun. It's more ergonomic, it's more controllable. The sights are definitely better. Not a ton better. You know, the Sten gun's better than it maybe looks sometimes, but my one complaint is the shape of this pistol grip is really a bit awkward, at least for my hand. Keeping that grip safety depressed is something that I have to kind of always remind myself to make sure I'm doing. Now, if I shot one of these a bunch, if this was a service issue weapon for me, I'm sure that would, I'd get used to it and it becomes second nature. But I've got 1 magazine left, so I will just empty it for you guys. Again, big thanks to Morphe's for giving me the chance to come out here and shoot one of these. As I said, extremely scarce guns in the United States on the collector's market. There just wasn't much opportunity for them to come into the US. Now, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.